Cell Academy, Goa's best institute for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 8 to 12th. State topper for NEET, JEE, BITSAT 2024 are produced by Cell Academy. Admissions are now open for class 8 to 12th at our study centers in Margao, Vasco and Prudent. Book your seat today. Limited seats available.
After learning about the illegal use of mobile phone inside the Colvale jail by an under-trial inmate, the High Court by an order dated 18th December 2025 had directed Colvale Jail Authority to take concrete steps to stop illegal inflow and use of contrabands like drugs and mobile phones in the jail. Now the Superintendent of Prison, Colvale Jail, has filed an interim status report before the High Court in which it has been stated that judicial concern regarding accountability and deterrence is fully acknowledged. Evidence-based, legally compliant and procedurally sound actions will be taken. Reinforcement of existing CCTV coverage by realigning cameras will be done. 100% physical audit of all electrical points in inmate accessible areas will be done within 15 days by electrical engineer. Removal, sealing and disabling all the non-essential or vulnerable electrical points on the basis of audit report. Systematic verification of goods and persons entering the jail premises are being undertaken. Strengthening interagency coordination with law enforcement agency is continuously on. The High Court has taken the affidavit filed by the Superintendent of Jail on record and will hear this matter on 30th January for further consideration. Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.